Wa musumbe Rigathi Gachagua ni wabinga umbano wa mbunge ya kati na ya Senate urawende kauntini ya Mombasa aina na umbano ne Gachagua ni wakuli bunge ile kuthukuma bamwe kwikithia kana uthukumi kwa mwene nthi ni waila bunge nene ithukuma na kuthima uthukumi wa ukava wa utongo ikana executive silikalini na ya Senate ithuma uthukumi wa silikali sia county. Angelina Museno kutweleza.
Munini wa musumbe Rigathi Gachagua ni wamenda amemba mambunge nene kwikithia kana ni methi wa memetho na uthukumi wa serikali na kuyumilia na kumikosoka vindani kala mona uthukumi wayo utemwa ilu aiweta kana serikali ya musumbe William Ruto ni kunenga ne mwanya wa ndongo ikuyelesya itekusiwa kuvita utongo imovetu na ula Rigathi ukuweta kana unaina isiye imbingi.
The Ruto administration is totally different from the previous one. None of you will ever be arrested by anybody for holding us to account. None of you will ever be subjected to audit of the NGCDF because of your views. Nobody. You people do what you must do and do it without looking back. Don't look over your shoulder. We have made a conscious decision that for democracy to thrive in this country, we must let independent institutions operate independently.
Rigathi ni waweta kana vena vata wa movisa anene ma serikali kuthukuma memo ambana ndongo isionthe ile inanyuviwe. Ona ethiwa menzi ni wangwata ni okifadhukanyo sia kiuteti. Vala kuweta kana mayeti kila movisa a kunyama asia ndongo i ota undu vana ethi itwendi ni otongo imovitu.
Our officers of the National Government Administration and the police have instructions from the President and myself that respect of elected leaders is not negotiable. And it does not just apply to elected members from the Kenya Kwanza formation. Any leader, irrespective of the party, must be given due respect. And we have told our county commissioners, and I repeat when I'm here, you look for a working formula with elected leaders, because those leaders are elected by the people, and you have just come there to work, and you leave them there when your tour of duty comes to an end. And if for whatever reason you cannot work together with an elected leader, it is you to give way, because that leader cannot be transferred.
Ni waweta kana mena musumbe William Ruto ni makufikia kumakwata mbau ayumbe akwanzia kivathukanyo kwikithia kana ni matwa isenthi ya Kenya na mbe.
Honorable Speaker, the deliberations of this seminar have charted a clear roadmap on entrenchment of the National Government Constituencies Development Fund, NGCDF, and the National Government Affirmative Action, GAF. Members have vast experience and knowledge of the invaluable contribution of these two funds in elevation of communities through sustainable initiatives in health, education, roads, infrastructure, and other sectors.
Kavindani kauni wambula kana serikali ni kufikia kutumia kimanza cha shilingi bilioni ile sia kuthoa leuni kana kukitana na yua isesu ila yikambiso chumwani chukite.
I know there are areas that are really struck by drought. The situation is very bad. It's very bad. We have just gotten some 2 billion shillings, and we are going to buy food as early as Tuesday, Wednesday. We will assess the areas, and I'm going to give instructions that the distribution by the DCCs be done with the members of the National Assembly. Diopia mujipigia debe kidogo.
Ni wamenda maseneta onthe kwithiwa memetho na utumiwa ilovia sia county wala kuetekana ni wia wo wa kwikithia kana ni siatumika undu vailite kumuna mwene nthi kwa kumwete maendeleo.
The role of the Senate in making devolution work cannot be overemphasized. And I appeal to you in a very robust manner to oversight the county governments and make them work and make sure that every cent appropriated to them is used for the benefit of the people in your county.
Maundu nimeokonia uivi wa koti munini uwa musumbi ni wawetekana na nginya kila mwene nthi kuiva koti ni kana kukile ukwati wa nthi ino.
Nobody will be exempted from paying tax in this country. And if you want to be exempted from paying tax, you buy an advert in the newspaper and apply to the people of Kenya. The President The CS National Treasury will not exempt anybody from paying taxes.
Uo kakavindani kala wavingwe kumana ya maseneta na itina kuvinga ya amemba mbunge nene va kauntini ya Mombasa vala wenda mbunge isie ile kuthukuma simu ambache lelo ni chaku mwete mwene ndi maendeyo. Gilivoti ya vilingi wa mauvo kuma kauntini ya Mombasa nita wa Angelina Mose.